In today's episode, I will start my build. I will put down the floor, I will build the wall between the driver seats and the back, and I will do some wiring. So take a look. Floor is halfway done. One piece is down already. Put it down yesterday. Today I'm just gonna put the other one and then it is done. I think fixing the floor was one of the easiest jobs so far that I've done on the van, if not the easiest one. It was pretty straightforward. I just had to put down the wood, some insulation, and just cover it up. That's pretty much it. Up next, I had to do the table and the wall between the driver's seat and the back. I got almost everything, like for the lights and ventilation, everything is all here. For my water pump and the outlets and kitchen light, the fridge. Just need to put one really small wire for the ventilation for the kitchen, and one wire for solar panels. And what else do you need? Alright guys, I got some good material for the wall that I'm gonna build right behind the seats, and also for my bed. Check this out. My neighbor didn't need these anymore, and she was going to throw them out, so he just gave it to me, which is freaking awesome. I don't have to worry about this. Yeah, so let's get to work and see you later. and that's how that went down. In the next episode, you will see me building my bed, doing some insulation on the walls, and pretty much trying to finish everything for my travel up to Griffith. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.